I'm Phil reviewing software, and I'm about to review something where I'm going to pretend I know lots about it, but I'm actually kind of winging it. But do keep on watching and do click subscribe, because a lot of you are commenting you like my style of reviews and demonstrations. And if you click subscribe, my videos will pop up more on your feed and you'll be able to see them. Right, we're talking about Flotiq. What it is content creation where it automatically creates the API. And what that means is everybody can create content these days, but the hard part is getting that content out there and make sure that all of the API and all of the information connected with it to make it appear in searches and look good is all kept in place. Do I sound like I know what I'm talking about? I'm an expert. Let's jump in. Let's look at Flotiq. So here is the Flotiq dashboard. I've only logged on this time for about a minute and it's already asking me, am I satisfied? Give me a chance. But anyway, you can see that this is the dashboard where you can create, and this is just the starting points, events, blogs, all sorts of stuff for your website. But when you create them using Flotiq, and of course this will integrate with your website, whether it be WordPress, or you can use the AP packages you can see over here, circled on the right, PHP, Python, whatever program language you use. Once you create your blog, it will automatically create everything else you need in the back end. So you don't have to spend lots of time with tags and all of that stuff that most of us either don't understand or we just simply haven't got the time. So that when you create your stuff with Flotiq or even Flotiq, it will be great for search engines. It will tick all the boxes, all of the things it needs, so that it passes all of the checks to appear online. And just running through the Flotiq dashboard, you've got your media library. Leave that in. The media, well, I can't even say it now. Media library here, where you can upload your files to add to your blogs. Other users, if you've got an organization, can be added. You can add your definitions here, so a blog post, an event. Once you've set this up once for your sites, it will create them. Every time you create a blog post or a product or an event, it will create them with all the good stuff going on in the background. Here are your webhooks. Not actually sure what that is, sorry. And here's where you start off. So that's basically Flotiq. Did that sound convincing there? Hopefully I do, and hopefully you will click on that link in description, because phils.deals is always got the link, and this will be /Flotiq. phils.deals /Flotiq will always have my updated link with the best offer for this software. So if you're looking for Flotiq, click on that link. If you're not looking for Flotiq, click on that link and have a look. I'm going to jump out now, get ready. That's basically Flotiq. So basically it sorts out all the API. It creates an API for your documents rather than just creating a document, so that once you've set it up for your website, you know that when you create your blog post, everything in the back end has been done. Obviously spend a bit of time reading up. These videos I do are all about giving you a little bit of an outline of a product so that you decide if it's worth you investing your time and money into it. Would I use it? Yes, I am just about to start my website. I'm going to read up on it, see if it's learning. I don't think the learning curve is going to be great for this. I think that's the idea of it. It saves you learning so that you can create your stuff, and it creates all that stuff. So it's going to save time. So yes, once I start using my website and making it, at the moment I just use it for these links, like click Phil's Deals. Once I start using it, I will consider using Flotiq. I'll recommend it if you do website creation, whether you're a web developer or or you are just an individual who looks after your website. And please do subscribe for my videos. I will do another one soon. That is Flotiq.